By the end of this process, you're going to learn how to build your AI startup from scratch with no code, no skills, no technical requirements whatsoever. Just using this Whop. I'm Achilles. I'm a trader, I'm an investor, I'm a financial lawyer, and I started building startups back in 2017. I was part of 500 Startups Batch 23 in San Francisco, raised millions for my legal tech startup. I pretty much know how to build startups. And with AI coming along, I really got super excited on how you can actually build using the tools available to you. Now, if you have no knowledge whatsoever, don't worry. In this Whop that I'm sharing with you, that you can find the link to in the description of this video, you're gonna get all the information. You're gonna get a step-by-step guide that teaches you exactly where to start. The first 1,000 who join in the description will get this access for free. And then it's gonna be paid for a specific fee. And the team and I added 3 mini courses. The first course is really how to teach you how to start and build your business using AI. Just like plain, straightforward process, where to find the idea, how to structure the right idea, how to actually validate your idea, how to build the concept, the MVP, just using like literally no code, like prompting. I'm going to teach you how to prompt. The second phase is going to be how to start building your idea with prompt that translates into code. And the third is how to use AI in different processes of your business, in marketing, in finance, in audit, in legal, in like everything, so that you could literally launch your startup, start making money with no technical skills whatsoever. How to invest in startups. And I added this course because I believe that if you want to build something, you want to check, or you want to know the perspective of someone actually interested in it. And investors are usually the most critical of your business, right? Because they're putting in money. And if you're pitching to them, they're going to ask you all the questions in the world. And so I added a mini course that teaches you how to invest in startups, so you could look at the other person's perspective. And you can understand really how do they think, what questions do they ask. You can go back and build your startup accordingly. The third mini course I added is a course that teaches you how to start investing and trading. It's also a mini course that teaches you the basics, fundamental, technical, all the tools you need across the board, so that you can understand how markets function. Because I always say, like, markets are the fastest way to build a startup, because it's like really super fast. You can TGE, you can launch an NFT collection, you can do everything in such a fast way. You do not need to go to an underwriting entity. You do not need to go public anymore. You literally can go start building your business, launch it to the public, bring people on board. Technically, you're a public company. All of these 3 are intertwined, are linked together. All of this will translate into you making money and into you starting to get control of your life, to reach financial freedom, and to understanding exactly how the world is going to function in the next few years. You're going to have tools. So here you can go to home. Once you're in, you have this kind of format. You go to home, and then you have a chat. We're going to be opening the chat soon. You have the learn section where you can find all the courses. And then you have the earn section where we're going to introduce to you ways you can actually earn using your content or using the skills that you actually learned. So it's a really full-fledged solution. I love it. The second thing I want you to do, and that's super important, before I end this video, second thing I want you to do is to go to X and to make sure you have your X account set up. If you don't know how to use X, get out of your comfort zone, start building it, because trust me, once you start growing your content, once you start growing your audience, you start connecting with people, people are going to want to support you. And they're going to want to support you simply because you're going to be supporting them when they're launching something. And that's what I believe makes X really cool, is you have really genuine connections that you can build. And so go check my account, Give me a follow if you want to give me a follow. And make sure that you have your profile set up with a banner, with a profile picture, with a name and a username that people can remember. And then a description on what you do. So for example, in my case, I'm a financial lawyer. So I'm gonna get messages from people asking me about financial services law, right? I'm an angel investor. So I'm gonna get people asking me to invest in their startup. Okay, and that's normal because that's exactly what I put. Subscribe, watch the other videos on the channel, and turn notifications on because I'm gonna be going on a live on a weekly basis to update you on the progress of tools we've been downloading, AI processes we've been exploring, and trading content. I'm going to be sharing also trade positions I'm taking, investments I'm doing. It's going to be a very, very informative live. I'm going to be doing it every week. It's going to be announced on the channel. Subscribe, turn your notifications on, and see you on the other side. And thank you for watching this video.